Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Gemini add-on for the Quizmaker plugin. The Gemini add-on is a really powerful tool because it saves you a lot of time when creating quizzes. Instead of sitting down and writing every question and answer by hand, Gemini uses AI to generate questions for you. All you need to do is provide a topic or even upload a file, and the add-on will do the hard work. This means you can create engaging quizzes faster and focus more on teaching or managing your site instead of spending hours building quizzes from scratch. Here on our website, you can learn about the add-on and what it can do. Now let's move to my WordPress dashboard. I already have the Quizmaker plugin installed, so I will go ahead and install the Gemini add-on. After activation, we need to connect it with our Gemini account. To do this, I will go to the Quizmaker General Settings and navigate to the Integrations tab. Here you will see Gemini listed along with simple instructions. I will click the link to open my Gemini account, generate a new API key, copy it and paste it into the Gemini integration field here in Quizmaker. Once I save the changes, the add-on is ready to go. Now let's see how it actually works. I'll go to the Questions tab, and here you'll notice the Gemini add-on icon. I'll click on it and the pop-up window opens. In this pop-up, I can enter a topic for my quiz questions. For example, I might write Math Basics. Then I can choose how many questions I want, how many answer options each question should have, and even assign a category and tag if I'd like. After setting this up, I'll click the Generate button, and just like that, Gemini instantly creates quiz questions for me. It's quick, accurate, and saves so much time. But there's also another option that's really helpful. Let's say I'm a geography teacher and I have a PDF file from one of my lessons. Instead of manually turning that lesson into quiz questions, I can upload the PDF file here. Then I just set the number of questions and answers, choose a category and tag if I want, and click on the Generate button. The add-on will scan the PDF and automatically create quiz questions based on the content of my lessons. This way, I can quickly turn my teaching material into interactive quizzes for my students. And that's it. That's how the Gemini add-on works with the Quizmaker plugin. It's not only easy to set up, but also saves you hours of work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get started with Gemini add-on. Bye bye.